Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and manage customer onboarding processes in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hubspot.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Hubspot. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and create your account or sign in using an existing account. And once you follow through with the processes and sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to set up and manage customer onboarding processes. Okay, so there are quite a number of ways for you to set up the onboarding processes. You can use tickets, you can use reports from your dashboard by creating a dashboard specifically targeted at onboarding, but you can use other methods. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how we can use tickets, all right, and ticket pipelines to create onboarding processes for customers. So from this homepage, head over to the top of your screen, going to find contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service automation, and reporting. Now go ahead and click on, okay, so when I click on service tab, you're going to find tickets, feedback surveys, knowledge base, and customer portal. Go ahead and click on tickets. I'm going to take you to the tickets window. So from this tickets, all right, I'm going to have to take it back to a ticket list. So I'm just going to do that first. And then this is like your support pipeline. All right, so this is the support pipeline and all pipelines that you can definitely choose from. It is all pipeline, and then this support pipeline, and then we can even head over to edit pipelines for you to edit the pipelines. Now when you edit the pipelines, you're now going to be able to categorize your onboarding processes into different parts. So I'm going to click on pipelines, edit pipelines. Now I'd like you to know that pipelines are great at visualizing the processes for your customers. All right, is targeted at visualizing the processes your customers are going to take from signed up to successful. All right, so the processes they're going to take from the moment they sign up to anything, or from the moment they take the first action, the first call to action, to the last step. All right, so in this case, if we're onboarding, the first step of action are going to take to the last step. You can do that using the pipeline. So this is the pipeline window. Now scroll the way down for you to customize this pipeline. So here we have new, okay, and then we have waiting on contacts, we have waiting on us, we have close. So you can click on this pipeline to actually change the status. Like for this case, we're creating an onboarding process, and the first could be account setup, and the next could be knowledge transfer as the next stage, and the next could be, I'm gonna make it initial capitals. The next could be integration setup. It's for my onboarding process. Just put it together. And the next could be testing stage. And I can add a status, all right, and that could be first meeting, and scroll the way down to add another status, which could now be onboarding failed. Okay, so here you can choose if it can be open or closed. So open, 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 closed. All right, so you can even make that open. Yeah, so once any of the stage has been selected or has been concluded, you can click on closed. All right, so go ahead and click on save. So that has been saved, so your pipeline was updated. Awesome. So I can go all the way back to where I have my tickets. go back to where I have my tickets, and I'm here. Okay, so here I'm going to have to head over here to say view your ticket as list and view tickets on board. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on view tickets on board. So now you see from here, from the account setup. So this is the onboarding process, right? So from the account setup to knowledge transfer to integration setup to setting the first meeting, and move this to onboarding failed. Oh god, that was misspelled. All right, but then just go ahead and you can even edit it once you get back to the same process. So this is pretty much it. So from this particular view, you will see that you will now be able to manage your customer onboarding process. Now you can close any of these. All right, so you can collapse any of the stages. Now you can collapse any of the stages, all right, or you can close any of the stages using that step-by-step process that I showed you, right, which is here. Just click on here, click on edit pipeline. It's going to take you there. So you can close any of the stages once that step has been completed, all right, and you can open it to show that, oh, this, we have not actually gone through this particular stage of the onboarding phase. So this is pretty much how you can do that using the ticket pipelines. That's how you can onboard your customers using the ticket pipelines. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.